What if your wall could replace your TV and give you a screen way bigger than any living room setup? Whether you are binge watching your favorite shows, watching movies, or playing video games, for us as filmmakers, this projector lets us enjoy the projects we've worked hard on in the biggest way possible. It makes everything feel bigger and immersive. So today, we're taking a closer look at the Dess C4 Pro Projector to see if it can actually replace your TV and if it's worth considering. What really caught my attention with this projector is how many features you get for the price. We all know that premium projectors can easily cost $1,000 and more, so after spending some time with this one, I was honestly pretty impressed. Not only with all the features you get, but also the image quality. This projector comes with a 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution that delivers a sharp, detailed image. It comes with built-in Android, so you can download your favorite streaming apps directly. It also offers built-in hi-fi stereo speakers that sound pretty solid, especially when listening in a smaller room. If the built-in speakers aren't loud enough for you, you can also plug in external speakers for a much more immersive listening experience. It supports dual band Wi-Fi 6, so you get a faster and more stable connection for a smoother streaming experience, which is honestly pretty impressive. The Dess C4 Pro Projector can display 60 up to a whopping 150 inches. It's designed to be compact, lightweight, and portable, and really easy to use. Before we take a look at the projector, let's take a quick look and see what comes inside the box. You get the power cable, an HDMI cable, and a remote control for the projector. You also get a cleaning cloth to keep the lens clean, and of course, the user manual. The Dess C4 Pro features a sleek, minimalist design with a matte-black finish, sharp edges, and an aluminum style front plate that gives it a premium look and lets it fit seamlessly into any modern home setup. On the sides, you got the ventilation grills for the fan. Around the back is where you find the ports, including an optical audio port, a headphone jack, and two USB Type A ports. One USB port is for plugging in things like a flash drive, and the other one can be used for charging devices like your phone, and it comes with a 1 amp output. It also includes full-size HDMI port along with an Ethernet port so you can connect the projector directly to the internet. And finally, at the bottom, you'll find the AC power port. On top you have the power button, and on the front side is where you find the dual sensors for the autofocus, keystone correction and obstacle avoidance, and screen alignment. Next up is the main projection lens, and it features a f2.6 aperture with a native resolution of 1920 by 1080. What's really nice is at the bottom of the projector, it features an electronic actuator that lets you adjust the angle from 0 to 12 degrees, allowing you to place it on a flat surface like a table to get the perfect angle. And you can also fine-tune the angle and the settings, and it also includes a standard 1/4 inch screw thread for mounting the projector on a tripod or a ceiling, which is honestly pretty impressive because you can get the perfect angle that you are aiming for. Setting up the projector for the first time is completely easy and hassle-free. First, plug it into the electricity, power it on, and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Once the connection has been successful, you can now sign in to your Google account and access built-in apps like Netflix and YouTube, and even download your favorite streaming apps to start watching movies or TV shows. Additionally, you can mirror your phone's screen wirelessly or plug in an HDMI, for example from your laptop or DVD player to stream videos. And as you can see, there are multiple ways to use this projector. The Dess C4 Pro Projector offers smart features like automatic keystone correction, precise autofocus, auto obstacle avoidance, and auto rotation correction, and even auto position. All of these features combined means that the projector automatically adjusts the image for you, allowing you to enjoy a perfectly aligned image with minimal setup. These are the type of features that you normally see on much more expensive projectors, so having them here is honestly pretty nice. Now let's go over on the most important thing on any projector, and that is how good is the image quality. And like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, The video quality that you get from this projector is actually very good. In fact, this is the best image quality that I've seen on any projector in this similar price point. You get native 1080p resolution with 4K decoding support, and overall, the video quality looks very excellent. It's sharp, vibrant, and well balanced with strong contrast and saturation. Whether you are watching a series, movies, or any type of content, it looks great. Thanks to the multi-layer transmittance glass lens, the projector delivers a sharp, more accurate image with better clarity even towards the edges of the image. And with the 1200 ANSI lumens, the image gets plenty bright even when consuming content on a slightly dim room. Overall, if you guys are looking for a high quality portable projector that offers plenty of features and delivers excellent video quality, I think the Dess C4 Pro Projector is definitely worth considering. As always, the links to purchase it will be down below in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.